Have you ever been stuck with a locked Honda radio after a battery change? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to generate your Honda radio unlock code in seconds for free. Introducing Radio Double Plus, the simple tool that unlocks your Honda's radio in just a few clicks. Here's how it works. First, you need to find your radio's serial number. Once you have it, simply type that serial number into the serial number field in the Radio Plus Plus program. Next, all you have to do is click the Generate button. And just like that, your unique unlock code is generated. Now, simply use your radio's buttons to enter this code, and your Honda stereo will be unlocked and ready to play. The best part? Radio Plus Plus works with virtually all models of Honda radios. So, you're probably wondering, where can I get this amazing tool? I'm going to show you guys how to download it. All you have to do now is to simply head over to the pinned comments down below. There, I explain exactly where you can get Radio Plus Plus. So, just head over to the pinned comments, leave a like if this method worked for you at the end, and that's it. See you all in the next video. Bye-bye.